What hurts more, a broken marriage or being treated like your own body is proof? Yes, you heard it right. This is not a story from a movie. This is a real case from an Indian courtroom. The Madhya Pradesh High Court recently protected a woman's dignity when her husband demanded a medical examination of her body. Why he demanded? Because she refused for a sexual relationship soon after marriage. See, to prove this, she had to refuse a sexual relationship. Justice Vivek Jain saw through the request and said something deeply, which is important. As a viewers, as you need to know what's going on around. The Justice Vivek Jain said, a woman's body cannot be reduced to evidence. Virginity tests are humiliating and they are unscientific. Marriages, and he also said, marriages does not erase a woman's right to privacy. So I want to give a message to the women, the one who are watching. The court clearly said the condition of a marriage, the condition of a woman's body does not define her character. Refusing for sex alone is not a legal ground for divorce. A wife is not obligated to prove intimacy through medical test. These judgments remind us what? This judgment remind us consent does not end after marriage. Even after marriage, soon after marriage, consent plays an important role. That's the reason many are requesting for to make to legalized marital rape in India. So consent does not end after marriage. Dignity does not disappear inside a courtroom. So as this is a legal awareness channel, I want to give a legal awareness here. According to the Under Hindu Marriage Act 1956, refusing for sex is not automatically cruelty. So section 11, 12, 13 do not permit medical test just to satisfy the suspension. The court also relied on the Supreme Court's ruling that have have condemned virginity test and two finger test is a violation of a human dignity. Now, this judgment is not just about one woman. It is for every wife afraid to speak soon after marriage. Soon after marriage, every woman afraid to talk and to get close to a unknown person. So told her every woman told her body must prove something. This is completely wrong. Every family that believes law exists to protect but not to humiliate. The law stood with, see, remember, the law here is stood with dignity. The court stood with respect for the woman. If you have any further doubts, you can comment in my comment section.